to my channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see on the title, yan guys, sinisimulan ko ng mag-empake para hindi na ako mag-cram next week yung mag-empake. So yan guys, unti-unti ko nang maglagay dyan ng mga gamit na gagamitin natin for our trip next week. So dahil 1 week na lang guys, hindi naman dahil na-excite ako ng bongga, pero dahil gusto ko nang matapos tong agenda na to dahil marami pa tayong nakalista doon. So ipapakita ko na lang guys yung checklist natin for today's vlog. And ayan guys, naka-ready na yung checklist natin. So yan, kailangan ma-accomplish natin lahat tong nakalista natin dito. So yan. So, yan guys, marami pa tayong kailangang i-empake, and sa wakas, 1 week na lang. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, finally guys, bukas ng ating flight papuntang Vietnam, and this is our first flight of the year, our first tour. So sana tangkilikin and abangan ninyo dahil gagawa ako na Vietnam tour. Siguro hatiin ko from day 1 to 5. And lahat ng mga pupuntahan ko doon is i-document ko. So sana guys, tangkilikin ninyo yung vlog na ito dahil magiging documentary and magiging memories to sa akin. So ayan guys, so i-vlog natin yung travel natin from La Union to Manila hanggang sa makapalipad tayo papuntang Vietnam. So ayan guys, abangan nyo lang. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. made my best single. Now it felt so great.
Ayan guys, sasakay na tayo sa airplane. Guys, papapunta na kami sa airplane where
second guess me, live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now.
Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream.
You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. Within our company, within our company, within our company. So come closer to me, come a little closer. Too long now, I think that I want to second guess you, I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me.
this is our fish.
So come on,
Guys, kakain na tayo ngayon ng ating... Hi guys, welcome back. So guys,